In today's video, guys, we're going to get into detail about 5 coins that could be performing really well in February 2020. Well, this year have started great. Altcoins are pumping like crazy. ADA has broken out, EOS has broken out. Bitcoin has been on a good rally, so it's really good time to be taking these trades. These type of opportunities comes 2-3 times a year. If you've been following my channel, you know that I traded heavily back in November. I talked about mini altcoin season about 2 months ago, and I think the previous one was about 3 months ago. Now we're seeing another rally where most of the coins are doing really well. So this month could be great, so make sure you watch the video till the end, and I'll share with you some strategies that you can be using. So before I get into the top 5 coins, as usual, I will be talking about Bitcoin, guys, because Bitcoin is king. Whatever Bitcoin does, altcoins follow. And Bitcoin is in an uptrend, and it's looking like it's consolidating. Now today it's looking like it's trying to break out. So when Bitcoin breaks out, you've got to be wary of some altcoins. If it does have a move and then consolidate sideways, I think altcoins will rally. So it is not too bad. But if we see Bitcoin going on a huge rally, then you have to be careful of these trades. That's a warning that I want to say. But the reason why I'm interested in altcoins at the moment is the Bitcoin dominance chart. It's looking like the Bitcoin dominance chart has broken down, and this is when I shared with people that it's looking really good for altcoin, and I was sharing the exact trade signals of which coins you should be looking to buy. And as long as Bitcoin is in a downtrend, is below the red zone, I think altcoins can rally. These are some of the indicators I use to know when to buy altcoins and when to hodl Bitcoin. Another indicator I use, the Ethereum Bitcoin chart. Ethereum Bitcoin chart is in an uptrend. It's coming into some resistance, but it is still in an uptrend. So all in all, it's looking pretty good for altcoins. So that is why I'm making this video. I didn't make it last month. I was busy as well for New Year's in my own trading. But I want to get back into making these monthly videos of top 5 coins. Previously it has worked really well. I've shared them, and you can go back and watch the coins whether they did perform as well as I'm saying as they did. And then if you think they work, you like my strategies, then yes, you can use it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'll make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button. My channel is quite different. I share with you exactly which coins I'm looking to buy and sell. So I talked about ADA breakout, that's worked out. XRP has been good, and I'm not like other cryptocurrency channels who talks about coins going to XRP going to 589 and ADA going to 1000. I try to give realistic perceptions, and if you want to learn more about investing, there's another video where I talk about the top 10 coins that I'm looking to buy in 2020. So I recommend, it's an hour-long video, but I share my strategy. I recommend you watch that if you're remotely interested in cryptocurrency. So yeah, guys, if you've already subscribed, thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed, I'll recommend to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification button so you know exactly when I'm going live as well. I do a live session every Sunday. A couple of signals from that live stream has worked really well, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button to get updated. So guys, what is the first coin? I've already mentioned the first coin a few times. It is ADA. So ADA has broken out, guys, above this red zone, and it's coming into resistance now. If ADA can break above 645, I think ADA can be heading towards that 85-95 cents and the 10 cents level. So that's sort of what I'm looking for ADA, guys. Sorry, this is against BTC, the 1000 Satoshi level, and ADA can have a huge breakout if it breaks above this red zone. So it is looking really good for ADA, guys. We've been trading ADA from back here. I recommend you go watch the video. This is not an after the fact event. I can share with you the exact signals that I shared as well about on Cardano. I can share with you exactly when I bought and exactly when I sold. I'll provide the exact entries and entries before they happened, and you can try this out if you're interested. I'll leave the links below. So I posted it in the 21st of January, and I shared exact breakout with where to stop. So 565 was a breakout level where we bought it and it rallied, and there's another strategy for a pullback strategy. And then if you can't watch the charts, I share with you strategies where you can buy now and where you can put the stop below. So ADA is looking really good. ADA is probably my top coin for February if it can get above the red zone. I will probably look to take some profits on this red zone, and if it breaks above, I will look to buy. And my strategy is to wait for a breakout, then buy a pullback. That is in a simple way my strategy. I'll leave the links below if you're interested in learning more about it. The next coin is EOS, and EOS had just had a breakout, so you might be able to get in EOS now. I might look to buy EOS now actually. Might do a bit of a live trading. EOS has pulled back to my red moving average, so if EOS sees some follow through, I'll wait for a green candle and I might look to buy EOS. The reason why I like EOS so much is because EOS had broken out range and trying to break out like this. So if EOS can break out and stay above, I'll look to buy. The main level where I'd be interested in EOS is looking really good, to be fair guys. If EOS can get a daily close, so if you're not scalping like myself, so if you're looking to trade scalp like me, short term trading, you could look to take this trade. But if you're more longer term trading, you haven't got the time to watch the charts, wait for a close above 4798 against BTC. I mainly trade against BTC, that's why I'm sharing signals against BTC. Wait for a close above 4,800. If we get to close above 4,800, look to buy EOS because it can rally. I can take a look at the USD charts as people request. Yes, that's what I was saying, 10 cents. Like if it's already broken out, the USD chart is looking even better. So if it can stay above the 56, 57 cents, it can push towards 8-9 cents. It's looking really good, ADA and EOS. Unless Bitcoin does something crazy, these coins are looking good. The next coin I'll talk about is Tron. So I'm already in Tron as well. When Tron broke out above, again I provided the exact signal. I'm not going to just talk that in detail. If you're interested, you can check it out. I'll give you the information that you're here for. So Tron broke out, had my stop below. I've got my stop up here now, so we move our stops up. It has broken out above this and is finding resistance here, so previous resistance. So you could look to buy this again as well. If Tron stays above this red zone, and then you could look to take a trade. You can see there was a trade taken. What I'm more interested in Tron is for a close above this red zone. So if Tron can close above 220, I'd look to buy, or if it pulls back to sort of 200 level, those are my two strategies for Tron. And why do I like Tron so much? In simple terms, guys, Tron has dropped so much. RSI was extremely oversold on every time frame, and it had it's looking like it's trying to do a lower high. And where is the lower high? 618 Fibonacci. People say trading doesn't work. I mean, I can prove them wrong every time. This will happen so many times. If you follow my live stream, I always keep talking about 618s, and it has pulled back exactly to the 618. So Tron is looking good. As long as it can stay above the weekly 20 moving average and the red zone, I think Tron can have a big push up. And if it does do that, if it does have a move up, maybe you could buy with your stop loss if you haven't got much time. It could get up to 48-50% move up in the red box zone. We've already seen some crazy moves. ICX had a crazy move. I've missed it. I couldn't catch ICX. I completely missed it. Although I did warn people on my trading channel that do not look to buy ICX, because you can see when something goes parabolic, it's time to sell. It's not time to buy. It's dropped 33% since that move up. So I've given you top 3 coins. Let's share with you the next 2 coins. Next one is Matic. I really like Matic, guys. Matic did something similar. It broke out above, and then now it's pulled back and it broken out above. The signal I gave for Matic, that was a couple of days ago, I think. I'll share this with you as well, so I just know exactly where I had bought it. And I'm not saying I'll get all these calls right. It's just been really good this month. We get couple of these opportunities. To in a year, I'd say we get 3 or 4 opportunities, or maybe sometimes more, of making money like this. Other times you have to take less money, and this has been really good. If Bitcoin carries on like this could be an opportunity that you should take advantage of, because you don't know when you get this opportunity. It's really important when you have those quiet time to invest in yourself. Take my trading course, or you can invest in yourself and then find a way to improve. So next time we do get an opportunity where Bitcoin rallies or altcoin rallies, we have the knowledge and experience to take advantage of it. So the strategy I looked for Matic was a break above 220. And you can see it broke above 220 here, and it rallied about 10%. So now it's looking really good. It's consolidating now, so wait for a breakout. If Matic breaks out again, we know that Matic can go ballistic. We've already seen that happen a few times. I think the next resistance will be here. So if Matic can stay above this, maybe look to buy a breakout. We just stop below, wait for this structure to break, and you could target this. Matic can go crazy, and there's lots of stuff going on with Matic on the outside as well, so keep an eye out for Matic. If Matic breaks, guys, Matic can have a nice little rally. So Matic is my 4th coin. The last one I wasn't sure whether to include Link, because Link is at a move up. I'm already in Link from here. I sold half at the double top, and I'm hoping for a break above with I think I've moved my stop loss here, so if it breaks, it might take me out. But I wasn't too sure, because Matic is already Chainlink has already made a move up, so I'm not sure whether to include that. The coin that I want to include is BNB. If Bitcoin carries on, if altcoin carries on, one coin that do really well is BNB, and BNB has pulled back a lot. This is one of the coins, I recommend you watch the top 10 video, but include BNB in that video, because Binance is such a huge player in the cryptocurrency market. So I do like BNB a lot. So I'm looking for a breakout above the red zone, getting above the weekly 20 moving average and the daily 200 moving average. If we can do that, guys, I think Binance can rally. I had bought quite a bit of Binance actually. I think I bought a lot here, and then I've bought some more at the double bottom. So I do own a bit already, because I know Binance can rally. Like, Binance was the main bull in 2019. It went up crazy, but 300%. So there's lots of opportunities that I recommend you guys look for. So BNB would be my next coin that could have a great month, and I will do a review end of this month. So after every top 5, I'll do a review to see how they worked. October, I think, was the best month. It worked like crazy. December wasn't as good, but depends on which month. I think this month will work so well. But please have your stop losses, please have a strategy. You can check mine out for only $50. This is the last month you get the full course, and then if you join this group, you'll get added to my new group that I'm launching this month. You'll be added to that group for free. So I think there's 1 or 2 spots available. If you're interested, you can join this, and then you'll get added to that group for free when that's made. So for the last month, you get a full crypto trading course that I delivered over the 6 months. I'll leave the links below if you're interested. So thank you very much, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, guys, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification button. To end the video, my question to you guys is, what is your top 5 coins? These are my top 5 coins. If you comment below if you agree, or what is your favorite coin, comment below and let's have a discussion, and we'll review it, see if my top 5 worked or your favorite coin worked out. And in the live stream or next week when I make another video, we will review it, see which one worked. But it's looking great for cryptocurrency to take advantage of it or invest in yourself. But have your stop losses, don't go all in, have the proper risk management, and don't trade with your emotions. Don't FOMO in, because that's a quick way of losing money. So I'll end the video on that. These are my top five coins. I hope you've enjoyed it. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, comment below your favorite cryptocurrency for February 2020, and let's have a discussion. So thank you very much, and I'll see you guys soon.